Indicator, thought you were Colombian. Are we turning up? Or are we wasting time? Girl, please don't waste my time. You know how I am. Jacquees, I don't just wanna chill with you. I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna lay with you. Jacquees, come do what it do.
Hey guys, so it is vlog day and we're going to the beach. Say hey to the vlog.
Hey! Hey! That's it. Let's go to the vlog. That was shit.
We're going to Metro Beach, right? So we're going to Metro Beach, y'all.
Come on, Lee. Oh, Mama, the girl's supposed to sit in the front because the girl sat in the front last time.
Oh, it was the eclipse today. We were outside and everything, but I guess we weren't in the right spot, so we didn't really see it. When my friend saw the eclipse, her mama, my friend saw the eclipse. My friend saw the eclipse.
I'll sit right here.
I guess we had to be in a different direction.
Hey, why can't Z sit right there?
Move his stuff. Open the door for him. Unlock the door, son. But when they come, you're going to have to sit right here.
Quick.
So, when they come, you're going to have to move over.
I said, my Kenzie.
Hold the door.
Mom, the girl's supposed to sit in the front because next time you forget it, her stomach hurts.
Okay.
Did you unclose it?
Listen, we already settled this.
Hi guys, we are going to the beach today, and I'm just means I'm a sister, and this is her other sister. So we're going to the beach. We're pulling off right now. And we're going to the beach, and we're going to go pick up our cousins and stuff. So let's get to it. Okay, and we just gotta really. The tire flat.
It is?
Yeah. What tire?
It's on right
The
there.
bike. The bike.
Oh, yeah, I was using that.
What?
I should see me trying to drag.
You talk. Why? I don't have to talk. I'm talking to the vlog. Who you talk to? It's a house. And the right. No, we are right.
That's why I switched to the
Every time I see it, Friday, drinking on my way. I just get satisfied when we get home. We are going to the beach. Right now we are at school. And we are at school right now. And this is our school campus. So I'm Casey. Y'all can't see. But I'm gonna fight her. Casey is the fighter.
my elbow hit this. Are you still talking to him?
Yeah.
Saying what?
I don't know. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You're missing on my way. This is our super kill them. Kill them. Can we come in, Mama?
No.
I'll be right out. They're about to close.
Let me see that, Giselle.
Give this to her.
Don't make it,
What all that?
I have no idea what she was talking to y'all about. Oh, Mama's getting me ready. Well, them ready for school. Like giving them paperwork. Right, y'all. Y'all can see.
Love you,
it.
Mama. Oh, and we're going to pick up our cousins.
Yeah. Mackenzie and Alea. We're about to just have a beach day. I don't think I'm going to go to swimming. Go to the beach. I mean, like,
Dad, can your phone
go
be
swimming. Huh?
wet? Is your phone waterproof?
Yeah. But I'm not going in the beach. In the water.
Can we bring it
Well, I like my hair color in the sun. Huh? No? She just asked, can I bring my phone in the water? Is she out of her mind? I think she is. I wish the sun can come. The sun can come out. I can't believe we're outside and we didn't see the eclipse.
No.
It didn't get darker.
I'm just in the club.
We're just in the wrong direction of the sun. I don't know which way it was. I don't know if we're west, south, north, or east. But it didn't get really dark. Why you? Oh, he just cussed. He said the N-word. Yes, you did. You. Off of Friday, he said a tween, twin, twin, or something like that. And then the word. And then the word after it is the N-word. I'm telling Mama. Weren't y'all on punishment of that? Because he had washed it a couple of days ago. Like last week. No, she didn't.
Yeah, she did. Yeah, she did when Zai was here and stuff. And Alea and the baby.
Cause the rest of y'all movies is baby movies.
It's not baby movies.
I like you today.
16
Kitty movie.
Candles, not baby movies.
I'm not talking about that. Because y'all already watched that movie.
God, it's here. Look, 20.
I want to color my hair with my ponytail. We gonna be back.
And I can say what Afro to say.
Why are they arguing?
Nobody even told you to Whoa, myself. Can I hold it?
Giselle, is you a little mad or
Can I
big
hold
mad?
it, Zai? Can I hold it?
Ooh, I look very pretty right here.
Zai, can I hold it?
Nope.
Mama got it.
Break your neck. Oh.
You need to swing on it.
Oh. And it's reckless. I know it is selfish. And I don't know what's happening. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. I just keep satisfied through the weekend. You're like 9 to 5, I'm the weekend. Oh, make him lose his mind every weekend. These children do not listen at all. You tell one thing, it just goes out the other ear. But I said it wrong. Oh well. Goes one ear.
No.
goes out together.
Don't put your feet on my seat.
Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. I just keep me satisfied through the weekend.
Dennis, what is
That was terrible, but
What is this? Don't forget it all. Zad, you cannot say it right.
I don't understand children. Like, they tell on the stupidest things. What?
Put it on right.
Please listen. Oh my goodness. Oh, they make me not want to have kids in the future. Like, what? I just like, Ooh, my eyes. We'll be right back. I didn't press it. Bye. Giselle, keep singing.
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Jenna's on my way. I just keep you satisfied on the weekend.
Giselle, look. I got you.
Kiss my blood.
Oh, we are still in the car.
Like, can I talk?
Talk.
No.
No.
Can we hold it?
No, you already did.
When? I didn't.
What do you mean you win?
Sorry, Jip won't hold it. I ain't hold it.
Okay, you don't got to. You might mess it up.
I try to save your ugly, stupid life.
Goodness.
It's white. I'm white. You ain't white. You black.
Girl, did you hear her? Okay. So we were at my auntie Danny house, and we're about to get Mackenzie and Alea. Say hello. And then we're gonna see what's it called. Let me get out real quick. Hush. They're whining.
Stand up.
Mackenzie. Hey, girl.
You going to the beach with us?
Hello. Come here. Come here. Give me a kissy. Want to say hey? Say hey. Don't get out. Hey, Auntie Gabby. Hello. I'm vlogging.
You're vlogging.
I'm vlogging. You said vlogging. Bye. Here we go. Hi, Kenzie. You look so cute.
Hi. Hi. Booty head, booty head,
Stop saying that.
booty head.
Stop saying that.
This car.
Can I ride with Auntie Star?
Oh my god. So, we're about to go to the beach right now. We're on our way to the beach. Say hey, y'all. Say hey. It'll be right there. Kinsey cans.
Hey guys, we are at the water park now, and my cousin Alea is here. But you gotta do too much. Okay. And so we're really gonna be on YouTube. And we're at the beach right now. And this is and we're gonna first thing we're gonna go swimming. No, you gotta change. You gotta change. We're gonna change, then we're gonna go swimming.
Not just you. You think about yourself.
She said where?
She said I'm going.
I can smell it, man. I can.
No, it's right there. I can see.
Hey guys, so my phone died at the beach, so I couldn't record us there or anything, but it was fun. And now we are at my dad's house, and they're cooking, I believe it's spaghetti. Sorry, my nose is messing up. But yeah, I'm watching these little Rugrats. You see what they do with their toys? It's all over the place. Y'all may not really see it, but hey. And they're watching the Nut Job too. Say hey. Hi. Yeah, they're making spaghetti. I'm hungry. I want some real food instead of junk food. But yeah.
Clean up the family room.
Xavier. I know he hears me. Come here. God. Children. What? Say hey. Say hey to the vlog.
Hey.
People. Well, I'm gonna come back when I got some food, so yeah. So the food is done. It's right here. And we're just about to eat right now. They need to clean this room. They got this messed up. They got me messed up. Children just irritate me. But yeah. I think this is the end of the vlog. I'm not really sure yet, but you gonna see. I mean, I just don't know yet. Is there some ranch, Mama? Oh, there's some ranch. Come on. Mom not answering me. Mom, is there some ranch? Is there some ranch?
Get up and see.
Oh. Okay, I got you some ranch. Let me taste this. I gotta pee. Let me taste it.
Okay. I'm good.
Yeah, it's good. Let me taste this. It's off? Yeah, it's on. Not this out.
Candy, you got 4
Alright.
What if somebody gets hurt? That is an excellent point. I'm going to need you to make a sign with large red letters that says,
It's good.
No refund.
Just to see if it was good.
so do something.
Watch them.
Your plan is for me to come up with a plan. Well, that's a great plan. Newsflash, Andy. My crazy
Daddy, you want me in the vlog?
Look what happened, buddy.
You want me in the vlog? You see yourself in the video?
Yeah.
You're gonna be on YouTube.
Okay, I know y'all. Hey, just see y'all. Sit your ass down. Sit down.
What?
Go get a towel. Tell mom to give you the towel.
Where's that? Y'all can't see it. Always do.
Knock your stuff off.
Giselle, don't spill her juice.
Eat your food first. Then you have to box run.
Never got a chance to say thanks for breaking me out.
That's good to me. Get you one in the bathtub. Yeah, that's good.
Come on, buddy. Wake up.
It's
Come
good.
back to me, buddy. Look at
Oh,
my
yeah,
head.
that part.
Do it. See, you just said. Who cares what I said? Just do it.
That's something else. Okay, slow down.
It's good.
I know it. Even in the coma, nobody can stand to have Todd Slugger on the face. Hey, haven't done that. Seen the places you live. Now hit it with everything you got.
It's good. Well, on this note, it's gonna be the end of the vlog. So, tell me, comment down below if you like vlogs, if you want more from me, and like, comment, subscribe. Comment what you want to see.
All your macaroni stuff.
Go into the description box and follow me on Instagram and add me on Snapchat. And yeah. Bye.
Indicator, thought you were Colombian. Are we turning up? Or are we wasting time? Girl, please don't waste my time. You know how I Jacquees, I don't just wanna chill with you. I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna lay with you. Jacquees, come do